the fact that the whole tariffs, the overall tariffs have been reduced from 50% to 18%. That's what we have up on screen. And faster access for Indian exports to US market. This will be one of the key components of the deal when Indian companies would have access to the US market. That would mean diversification of the markets for Indian companies. That's a big positive sign for Indian companies. Export gains for Indian manufacturing and services. Export gains would mean many companies that have been standing in line to increase their exports to the US side, they will have fresh opportunities to do so. This will be one of the biggest points of the whole deal. Energy security via diversified oil and gas sources. This is one of the most key points because India has mostly been reliant on the Russian side for the oil imports. This would mean diversification because Trump has claimed that India can buy oil from US and possibly Venezuela. Energy diversification reduces geopolitical risk. This is also a crucial point because India, as I mentioned, is reliant on Russian oil. That has sort of bent India towards the Russian side on the geopolitical stage. This would mean diversification, and that would mean balance in trade deals and other deals for the Indian side. Moving on, there will be global diplomatic edge, and also the fact that this emerges as this positions India as a deal maker after twin trade deals, because remember in the last 1 year or so there have been at least 3 trade deals actually. India-UK deal, India-EU deal, and now this deal which we have the first stage. The remaining stage remains. The global diplomatic edge on Russia-Ukraine war has also been established because, as I mentioned, India is one of the few countries that had a unique stand on the global stage as far as the Ukraine war is concerned. This further pushes that narrative and long-term stability in bilateral trade relations. So this is what the long-term, bilateral trade relations could be looking at. But so far, this is only the first stage. The remaining conversations remain. So we'll have to look at all of that.